Hi, it's Carla from the Thumbsucking Clinic. A lot of parents ask me, how do I use gloves with my patients to stop them sucking their thumbs? Gloves are a great way to remind kids not to suck. What I like to do is find a cute glove. So go looking around your local shops. The $1 shops are great, particularly around winter. You'll find a variety of different patterns and things. I picked these up for about $3 and they've got really cute unicorns and rainbows on them. So maybe take your child shopping to pick some gloves. The best time to use them is when they're having their little sucking habit problems. So maybe you might keep a pair in the car, you might put some beside the bed for bedtime, or at TV. So have them hanging over the TV as a good reminder, oh, I better put my gloves on so that I don't suck my thumb. Where I live, it's really hot, so sometimes I'll need to modify the glove. So I might have to chop off, for example, the thumb and tape it with some medical tape to the thumb directly. That keeps the rest of the hand free and nice and cool. So be creative. There's all sorts of cool gloves out there that you can find, and if you live somewhere chilly, even better. Give it a go.